Hey friends, how are y'all? I hope you all are doing well and enjoying the winter days just like I am. So, friends, today is Sunday and it is such a happy day for all the working moms, isn't it? A day to relax and unwind, no rushing around, no packing tiffins, and no waking up early. What a relief! So today for my family, I decided to make something special in the sense, I decided to make Pooribhaji. So I used whatever vegetables I found in the fridge and cooked it all together. But it turned out pretty good. It's 8 a.m. and I decided to cook lunch along with this breakfast. So that in this way I can finish all my pending household chores and have the rest of the day free. So I quickly made breakfast, rice and dal. Friends, it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I know as a working mom, it's hard to find time to shoot, edit and upload, which is why there's been a delay. I know that as a new YouTuber, it's important to stay consistent with uploads, or else I might start losing the 137 subscribers I worked so hard to gain. But yes, I'm happy with this progress. I don't want to lose any of my subscribers, so I will do my best to create and share good videos from now on. I hope so, I promise myself. In my free time, I watch a lot of cooking videos and working mom videos. And I admire how these women work so hard outside the home and for themselves. Really, they make time for what they enjoy, and this really inspires me. Sometimes, even I feel like shooting a long video, which I do, but I usually end up uploading a short 60-second videos. I believe that's why my views and subscribers are low. So I've decided to be more consistent and promised myself to upload videos that are at least 3 to 4 minutes long from now on. Every video I upload is a learning experience for me and I discover something new each time. But when there's a long gap between uploads, I tend to forget what I learned. That's why consistency is key to achieving success, isn't it? Consistency makes you succeed, means that by consistently putting in effort and maintaining a focused approach towards your goal, you are much more likely to achieve success in the long run. As I'm not consistent, so my success is happening slowly. Anyways, it's never too late for anything. No matter how old you are or how much time has passed, you can always start doing something new, pursue a goal, or make a change in your life, right? So, friends, let me wind up the video and meet you all soon. Till then, take care.